How does your body break down the proteins you eat? Let's follow the journey from mouth to small intestine. In the stomach, hydrochloric acid activates pepsinogen into pepsin, which begins breaking protein into smaller peptides. In the small intestine, trypsin from the pancreas breaks peptides down further into individual amino acids. So the key pathway is proteins to peptides in the stomach, then peptides to amino acids in the small intestine. Remember, pepsin works in the stomach, trypsin works in the small intestine, and amino acids are absorbed into the blood. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.